Win in your mind, and you will win in your reality. Slow down, calm down, don't worry, don't hurry, trust the process. Care about what other people think, and you will always be their prisoner. Believing in yourself is the first secret to success. Worrying doesn't take away tomorrow's troubles. It takes away today's peace. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. Never be defined by your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. Count your blessings, not your problems. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. A positive mind towards everything will give you a happier life. Don't overthink. Let it go. Train your mind to be calm in every situation. When you wish good for others, good things come to you. This is the law of nature. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Pain is uncertain. Suffering is optional. Feelings are just visitors. Let them come and go. Everything comes to you at the right time. Be patient. Don't be a slave to your thoughts. Control them.